Number 6, in continuation, yung number 6 is building your legacy. Di ba pag nagnenegosyo ka, mas maganda meron kang purpose of legacy. Karamihan sa mga nagnenegosyo, lalong-lalo na yung talagang naging successful sa mga tinatawag nating mga businesses, merong tinatawag silang legacy. May iniiwan silang legacy doon sa kanilang mga subordinates. And number 7, yung final thoughts, ano yung next step natin gagawin pagkatapos nating i-build mo na yung legacy mo in purpose for your business saka sa long-term engagement with the Idilmo business. So guys, let's dive in. First, welcome to the presentation on leveraging Idilmo growth, opportunity, and possibility of financial freedom in healthcare and community settings. Explore how Idilmo can maximize the resources in your transformative journey. So ito yung business profile ng Idilmo. Idilmo application combines an online store, marketplace, service marketplace, and booking option. Nandun yan sa app. And then, ang feature pa din ng Idilmo is meron siyang tinatawag na future integrated e-wallet and affiliate marketing opportunities. So, it empowers affiliate with tools, resources, and support for financial success. Mamaya, pag-uusapan natin yan in detail in the presentation as we go on. And the next is, yung Idilmo pala is powered by Multilink Solution Marketing Corporation. Ito yung nagpa-power doon sa software sa Idilmo application. So, ang Idilmo application is registered through the Security and Exchange Commission through the name of a Multilink Solution Marketing Company. So, legal po yung ating corporation because it is registered with SEC. Pag hindi po yan registered ng SEC at hindi nag-a-abide, yun po ang medyo malaking question. Luckily, Idilmo is registered to the name of Multilinks Solution Marketing Corporation. Next is, ang office po natin is located sa Alina Berhal Commercial Building and Manabat Street, San Antonio, Binyan City, Laguna. So dito po yung ating location ng ating office. At meron din po tayong office sa mga sumusunod na hub offices sa second floor, Crown Building, Room 201, Evangelista Street, Batangas City, in front of Public Market. At meron din po tayo sa second floor, BM Leyva Street, Building, Santo Niño, San Jose, Antiporo, Rizal. And magkakaroon din po tayo ng mga future office sa mga strategic places. Next is, ito po yung ating corporate team. Yung ating CEO, si Rolin Reitan, isa siyang dating OFW, 9 years in real estate consultant, businessman from Cavite, 10 years po siyang may experience sa online entrepreneur, at 14 years experience sa multi-level industry. Ang sunod po na natin is yung Vice President for Operation and Marketing, si Mariano Vergara Jr., IT and Admin Electronics Head by profession, businessman from Lipa City, and 7 years po siyang BPO, administrative position for 10 years, at experience in MLM also sa loob ng 10 years. So ang sunod po natin is si Herbert Ingles. Ito po ay hindi po yung nag-i-Ingles pero yung Tagalog na Ingles. Siya po yung Vice President for Sales and Training. A businessman from Zambales, former sales executive, and 7 years as online entrepreneur and 10 years in experience in MLM industry. So makikita natin yung corporate team natin, napakahaba ng kanilang experience pagdating sa tinatawag nating multi-level business or tinatawag nating network marketing. Bakit napakahalaga ng isang experience? Because kung mahaba ng experience, ibig sabihin nito, dumaan na sila sa matinding pamamalakad, matinding tinatawag nating how to overcome the problem para mapatakbo ang isang kumpanya. So with overall experience sila, rest assured na ginagawa nila lahat para gumawa ng ating company na Idilmo at saka yung mga application natin talagang they are really see to it na top notch yung ginagamit nating Idilmo application because of their leadership. So the next thing is ito yung ating tinatawag na brands, yung Idilmo, yung Palikoy Commerce. Sandali lang guys, medyo nagkamali ako. I need to, may buburahin lang ako. Hindi ko ito siya nabura kanina. Sorry. So, ay, naku, teka lang. Back. Sorry for the medyo nagdoble lang. So, yun. So, ang brand natin is tinatawag nating Pretinova, Zerb-On. Ito po yung nagpa-power kay Idilmo. So next, ito po yung ating mga services. We have remittance, bills payment, e-loading, shopping, e-commerce, ticketing, dropshipping, and delivery service. Guys, nasa panahon na tayo kasi ng digitization. So hindi na natin hindi na natin tinatawag natin ma-neglect na talagang paganda na ng paganda yung services natin. Katulad ni GCash, si Smart, tinatawag natin ibang mga application, yung tinatawag natin pag magpapadala tayo ng pera, lahat nasa mobile app na. Pero ang kagandahan kay Idilmo, nilagay niya yung application sa isang software o sa isang application na pwede natin pakinabangan. So, in due time, makukompleto itong tinatawag nating mga services. So, ano ibig sabihin na to pag nakompleto na to? So, hindi lang tayo kikita doon sa tinatawag nating affiliate marketing. In due time, pag na-implement na to last in the year, makaka-enjoy na tayo ng kung paano magkaroon ng extra income sa pamamagitan ng mga ganitong platform. So ang maganda dito, kung ipoposition mo yung sarili mo ngayon as of now at talagang magbi-build ka ng talaga ng grupo mo, in the long run pag na in-place yung tinatawag nating mga services na to, as this is an added long-term income. Ito yung magpapower sa network mo. Pag bumili siya, continuous yung income mo. So ganun kaganda si Idilmo. Kung meron kang tinatawag na visualization kapag na-in place no ng maayos. So, yun nga, ang kagandahan nito ay utay-utay na itong nagiging reality sa atin. So, kaya nga yung mga nauna sa atin, napakaswerte nila dahil in long term, ito yung magiging natin, leverage income pagdating sa mga services. Ayaw ninyo guys, marami tayong ways para kumita. Nandiyan yung tinatawag nating e-commerce. So, kung saan ang daming product, pag bumili yung kliyente mo, meron ka agad kita o meron ka agad commission diretso sa e-wallet mo. Dropshipping, same thing din. Sa delivery service, maraming delivery service na pwedeng pumasok dyan, angkas at saka yung tinatawag nating Lalamove. Papasok sila dyan. Shopping, maraming mga shopping mall na magiging partner din tayo. E-loading, halos ng e-loading pwede natin magamit. And bills payment, so nandun yung tinatawag nating comfortability pagdating sa tinatawag nating services. So ito ang pwedeng magbigay ng long-term income sa iyo aside from our affiliate marketing strategy na ginagawa natin ngayon. Next guys, ay tinatawag natin yung Western Union. Ito yung mga transferring. So dito, hindi na kailangan gumamit pa ng ibang app. Within our app, andun na yung Western Union, andun na yung Cebuana, andun na yung Palawan. So yung remittance natin, lalo-lalo na kung nagpapadala ka ng pera sa ibang bansa, andun yung convenience na pag nagpadala ka, ikaw mismo kikita ka, ikaw mismo meron kang points. Tapos pag nirefer mo isang tao na gumamit ng app mo at sila ay nag-avail doon sa Western Union, ayaw mo nun meron kang percentage sa each transaction mo. So ganun kaganda yung application natin si Idilmo because the more you use the services inside Idilmo, the more it generates an income flow. Direct mo man yan o hindi direct mo yan, basta ginagamit nila yung referral link mo to avail the following service, ganun ang continuation ng income mo aside from your affiliate marketing. Next is, yung tinatawag nating services din, ito yung bills payment. Lalo na ngayon, minsan ayaw na nating lumabas ng bahay. Ang gusto na natin, pag mainit, gusto na lang natin gamitin natin yung phone natin to pay our bills. So kagandahan nito, meron lang tayong tinatawag na bills payment. It offers tinatawag nating comfort at your own home paying your bills. Kung may laman yung GCash mo, or kung may laman yung e-wallet mo through directly sa app, pwede kang magbayad ng bills mo. So ang gagawin mo lang, pupunta ka lang doon kung babayaran mo yung bills mo sa internet, kung magpapaload ka, or babayaran mo yung mga grocery item mo. Yun ang kagandahan dito kay Idilmo. Kasi dito meron tayong mga partner utilities na pwede nating bayaran in due time. So paganda si Idilmo as the months to come because ginagawa ng ating mga innovators at lalo na yung corporate team natin, they make sure na these services will be enhanced in the following months and in the following years. So, standby lang kayo sa ating enhancement, lalong-lalo na dito sa ating mga services. And of course, yung tinatawag nating e-loading. Karamihan ng mga Pinoy ngayon na mahilig tayo sa load, ayaw na nating lumabas. So, tamang-tama, nandun din siya sa loob ng idil mo. You can load any courier from Globe to TM to dito, Signal, PLDT, etc. So, yun ang kagandahan dito. So, hindi mo na kailangang lumabas ng bahay or humingi ka pa ng load doon sa kasama mo. As long as merong laman yung e-wallet mo, pwede kang mag-load ng sarili mo or pwede mo siyang i-transfer kay GCash. So, the convenience is there. The technology is there. The services is there. All we have to do, aralin lang natin yung tinatawag natin mga services. Because the more that we learn from these services, the more income we will have in the future. So, dito, ang kagandahan dito, meron kang one-stop shop paano ka kumita online. Paano ka kumita na nasa bahay ka lang. So, with the different diversification of services inside idil mo, it will actually build your income in the long term. So kaya nga ang maganda dito, pumosisyon ka na, aralin mo lahat ng mga marketing na available at in due time, i-share mo yung opportunity mo, invite other people to do the same, and eventually your organization will grow as you grow also. Next is yung tinatawag nating ayaw mag-function. Wait guys Meron din tayong tinatawag na electronic ticketing or yung travel booking. Ito rin ang nagustuhan ko, yung booking. Kasi before nagtatrabaho ako sa isang travel agency, before ako naging digital marketer, I worked for isang travel agency sa Hong Kong for 7 years. Ito yung ginagamit namin, yung tinatawag naming Traveloka, yung Agoda. Magkakaibang ano yan, magkakaibang platform yan. Pero ang kagandahan kay idin nyo guys, ito tingnan nyo to, nasa loob siya ng isang platform. So, available siya 24/7. So yung ano yung kung ano yung gusto ng kliyente mo, ito isipin niyo kung ano yung gusto ng kliyente mo, you have the flexibility to offer kung anong klaseng booking ang gusto niya, kung ano yung klaseng hinahanap niyang services. So dito pa lang sa booking and ticketing, meron ka ng income agad eh. So ganun kalaki yung tinatawag nating application inside idil mo. Imagine meron siyang Traveloka.com, Booking.com, Airnab. Airnab is so popular lalong-lalo na sa mga tinatawag nating booking sa mga hotel, booking sa mga nanggagaling ng ibang bansa. Agoda, the same thing din. So imagine nasa loob yan ang tinatawag nating idil mo application at your convenience. And of course, yung tinatawag nating service aimed delivery like goods. So andito mga yung tinatawag, kaya yung sinabi ko kanina, merong Grab, merong Angkas, merong Lalamove, merong Move It. At the finger of your fingertips, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas na ibang application because available na ito kay idil mo. Unang-unang kagandahan kay idil mo, parang siyang isang one-stop shop, para siyang isang SM Mega Mall na nandun lahat ng mga services mo. Ang kagandahan nga lang, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta kay SM para ma-enjoy mo yun. Ang kailangan mo lang, i-download mo lang yung apps na si idil mo, pag-aralan mo yung mga services soon to come, and i-position mo yung sarili mo as an affiliate marketer, and soon to be, may-enjoy mo yung magiging leverage income pag na-implement na to as we go by. So ito ang kagandahan kay idil mo. It is a digitization one-app solution na para sa ating lahat, andun yung convenience. Ito yung nagustuhan ko as a digital marketer kasi masyado akong meticulous sa technology. Kaya nung tingnan ko si idil mo, sabi ko, may malaki talaga yung potential income kung aaralin mo lang talaga yung application at maghihintay ka ng tamang oras, building your team, at turuan mo sila kung paano gamitin yung mga application na yun, turuan mo sila paano gumamit ng tamang affiliate network marketing to build their organization, at sila mismo yung organization mo ang bibili doon sa loob ng application, which means an added income or an added revenue in the long term. So, dalawa yung pwede mong maging income, affiliate marketing and services. So pag pinagsama mo yung dalawang yan, napaka-powerful na magiging income potential mo. So kaya yung ganitong klaseng platform, hindi pinapalampas to. Pinag-aaralan to at tinitingnan natin kung ano pa yung pwedeng nating i-share sa ating mga nangangailangan ng mga taong in terms of services. At ang kagandahan nito, yung ating corporate team, lagi silang nasa top-notch innovation para lalong mapaganda yung ating tinatawag na application inside the idil mo app. And of course, our services, buying editing, ito yung tinatawag nating e-commerce. Kung si Lazada, pumupunta ka doon, huwag ka na pumunta kay Lazada kasi hindi ka na makikita kay Lazada eh. Pumunta ka dito kasi the more you buy, magkakaroon ka ng points at yung points mo pupunta dun sa e-wallet mo. So ibig sabihin, the more that you are buying and the more you are sharing the e-commerce platform to other who are seeking the same product, ang kagandahan nun, you will also earn from them. Hindi katulad kay Lazada na pag bumili ka, wala kang points. Sila yung kikita doon. But with our Idilmo application, with our membership Idilmo application, it is an added source of income inside Idilmo. So napakaganda nun. At your fingertips, pwede nang i-deliver yung product sa'yo. Kaya nga ang maganda dito kay Idilmo, since partner natin yung mga logistics, pag umorder kay Idilmo, i-deliver niya yung product na kung in-order mo yun dun sa loob ng platform ng e-commerce. So that's the convenience of Idilmo services. So hindi pa lang natin na-appreciate ngayon, pero na-visualize ko na siya na ganito yung mangyayari in the long term. Kaya nga, ang napakaganda nito, position yourself and visualize what the business can do for you in the long term, not in the short term. Kaya nga pag nakikita ko nga, sabi ko, napakaganda nito, lalo-lalo na kung international market. Kasi pag nagkaroon tayo ng e-commerce, syempre makikipag-partner na tayo sa mga international logistic and international provider. At ang kagandahan din, kasama yung development ng application inside Idilmo. So, you will have also the international market as well because of our e-commerce system. Kaya napakaganda yan if we will visualize. Ayun, na-visualize ko na yan, nakita ko na yan. Kaya nga, I'm super excited. Pag lumabas itong e-commerce na to, so, wala ka nang hahanapin pa kay Idilmo, lahat andun na yung kailangan mo para siyang more than a one-stop SM Mega Mall. Next is, naglolo ko yata guys. Ayun, eto. Eto guys ang isipin nyo. Hindi nyo alam bago lumaki si Google, nag-start siya sa isang garage. Isang napakaliit na garage yan, that is way back 1981. Walang naniniwala kay Google, walang pumapansin kay Google. Si Yahoo matagal niya ng competitor. Pero nung nag-innovate si Google, nung nagbigay ng tinatawag nating technology and innovation, in-embrace ni Google yung innovation at hindi naman in-embrace ni Yahoo, napag-iwanan niya yung si Yahoo. Ngayon, binibili ni Google ngayon si Yahoo at the worth of $10 billion. Dati binibili siya ni Yahoo, yung Google, at the worth of $100 million. Pero na-overtake siya ni Google kasi Google embrace innovation and transformation na hindi ginawa ni Yahoo. So kung ikaw at ako, nakikita natin yung potential study ng company Idilmo katulad ng Shopee, before maliit lang si Shopee, at imagine mo ngayon, meron na silang sales of income of 19 billion. Paano nangyari yun? Nangyari yun kasi marami nang bumibili sa kanila. At ganito din yung nangyayari sa atin. The more na maraming mga affiliate marketer na pumapasok sa atin at tumatangkilik ng mga services natin inside Idilmo, that's the possibility that we will also earn more. So, si Lazada, ganun din ang nangyari sa kanya. Nag-innovate siya, in-embrace niya yung tinatawag natin mga challenges. At after 4 years, isa sila sa mga pinakamalaking e-commerce dito sa Pilipinas. Dalawa sila, si Shopee at saka si Lazada. Nag-aanuhan lang sila, nag-share lang sila ng market. Pero ang kagandahan ng dalawang company na to, they are putting their strategy into marketing innovation. Pareho sila, kaya nakikinabang sila sa market ngayon. Whereas with Idilmo, ganun din ang ginagawa natin dito. As the months goes by, as the weeks goes by, yung innovator natin sa corporate team natin, ginagawa talaga nila yung mga technical innovation na para mapaganda yung services na sinasabi natin dito sa loob ng Idilmo. And once we realize those things na napakaganda pa nito, ano pa yung hinihintay mo in the future pag naging at least nakaposition ka na. GCash is also the same. In-adapt ni GCash yung tinatawag nating technological approaches, kaya naging top notch sila na overtake nila yung income ni Smart. So dalawa din sila, si Smart lang yan at saka si GCash. So pero mas namabayag pa si GCash at the worth of 359 million. Si Grab is also the same thing din. So the same thing din ang ginagawa na approach ni Idilmo. Idilmo is a technological service or digital innovation that the strategy is being given to each affiliates. So napakaganda nun eh. Kasi yung iba, pag kukuha ka ng isang tinatawag nating application, need to invest 1,000 pesos. But dito, ang kagandahan sa Idilmo, all you have to do is become a member and voila, meron ka ng application na nandun na lahat. Meron ka ng e-wallet, meron ka ng mga linkages doon sa mga kitaan mo, nandun na sa isang dashboard, at pag i-withdraw mo yung pera mo, nakakabit na doon sa any bank account na kung gusto mong withdrawin yung kinikita mo sa affiliate marketing, or in the future yung kikitain sa e-loading, papasok yun sa e-wallet mo. So gaano kaganda yun, guys? Nakakonect yun sa isang bank account mo. So that's the future of IDILMO application. Sa ngayon, hindi pa natin nare-realize. Pero as the years goes by, magugulat ka na lang na, uy, ang dami na palang services na IDILMO, ang dami ko na pala pwedeng i-market. And once you position yourself and study the tinatawag nating the system itself, makikita mo na napaka-generous ng company na nagbibigay ng not only in affiliate marketing, but also in the leverage marketing of services. That's the power of IDILMO application. Next is our product. Kanina guys, napanood mo ba yung Kaori White Glutagency? May napanood ba kayong video doon sa IDILMO University? Please type 1 pa kung napanood mo. Kasi me and my small team, ginawa namin yung video na yan para kung just in case may manghihingi ng information, we will give a professional video para ma-appreciate nila yung tinatawag nating product. So, hindi ko napapahabain yung discussion ito. So, yung Kaori White natin, ang pinakagusto ko dito is yung anti-aging ability niya. Why? Because anti-aging, maraming tumatandang tao. At ang Pilipino ayaw tumanda, di ba guys? Please stop type number 5 o number 6 kung sino ayaw tumanda. Yung, alam mo yung lagi kang feeling healthy na ayaw mong tumanda. Please stop type number 5 kung sinong ayaw tumanda dito. So yun ang capability ni Kaori White Glutagency because it has that ingredient for the potential, lalo na nung ginagawa namin yung vitamin C at saka yung Gargling herb na herb of immortality, napakaganda ng kanyang combination. So not only that, it will also support your mental clarity. Lalo na yung mahilig magpuyat katulad ko, night owl ako kasi naka-duty ako sa gabi, meron akong kliyente as a freelancer. So napakaganda aabangan ko pa rin yung etong Kaori White Glutagency kasi sabi nila lalabas na to by next week. So eto na yung instead na ang iinumin ko ay spirulina, eto na yung lalaklakin ko. Kasi nga ang kagandahan nito, meron siyang anti-aging effect. At alam niyo ba, pag nagpupuyat kayo, ang laging tinitira ng pagpupuyat is yung liver niya. So, kailangan malagaan natin yung liver natin, lalo-lalo kung stress tayo. Ay, napakaganda ng product na Kaori White Glutagency because upon my research, on continuous, on continuous usage, wag yung lakdaw-lakdaw, on continuous usage, it will improve our liver health, lalong-lalo na yung it will improve our skin tone. Ito napakaganda nito. Kaya siguro baka lalo kumuntab yung ulo ko. Type number 1 kung kikinta pa ba yung ulo ko? Tutupo pa ba yung buho ko? So napakaganda ni napakaganda yung tinatawag nating Kaori White Glutagency. So again, it has the power to reduce risk of chronic disease. When we say risk chronic disease, ito yung tinatawag nating sakit sa puso, ito yung tinatawag nating high blood, ito yung tinatawag nating cancer, ito yung tinatawag nating iba pang mga cancerous chronic diseases. So, the capability of Kaori White Glutagency is it will prevent you from having that one in continuous use. Again, in continuous use hindi yung palaktaw-laktaw guys. Next is, ayaw talaga mag-function ng aking keyboard. Manual ko na lang siya. So, next is, ito yung kanyang tinatawag na ingredients. L-glutathione, sabi nga sa video, ito yung master of antioxidant. Sodium ascorbate, ito yung vitamin C. Marine collagen, at hindi nyo ba alam para mag-produce ng marine collagen, ang ginagawa pala na according to the video that napanood ko, si rosehip extract at saka si zinc, pag pinagsabay mo pala to, ito pala yung responsible para lalong tumaas yung ating marine collagen. So napakaganda niya with the rosehip extract and zinc and paired with vitamin C, ang tatlong yan, kaya tumataas yung tinatawag natin na collagen sa ating katawan. So hindi natin kailangan kumain ng mga pagkain na lalo magpapataas ng ating collagen. Kasi you know what guys, as we age more, lalong bumababa yung collagen natin, kaya nagsasagi yung skin natin. Pag wala tayong tinatawag na supplement na pagkukunan nito, ang ano nito, it will deprive our skin with the necessary nutrients. So ang kagandahan with Coado White Glutathione C, yung combination niya ng rosehip extract at saka zinc and sodium ascorbate, ito ang nagpaparami ng collagen sa ating katawan, aside from the L-glutathione na pinoprotektahan ng ating liver. So, type 7 kung you appreciate that information. Next, ito naman yung coffee burn. Ginawan din namin ito ng video. I hope guys na panood nyo yung video ng coffee burn. So, ang maganda dito, lalong-lalo na yung matatabang tao na ang maganda dito, yung isang ingredient ni coffee burn, ano niya, yung storage ng fat, hindi niya pinapatagal sa katawan. Yun ang kagandahan kay coffee burn. At saka yung, di ba palagi mong gusto kumain, lagi tayong gutom. Yun ang sense, yung kaya tayo tumatabay. The more na kumakain tayo, the more na mataas yung ating calorie, the more na mag-i-store yung fat. Pero ang kagandahan with coffee burn, because of that ingredient inside the coffee, nababawasan yung tinatawag natin yung storage ng fat. Hindi siya natatagal sa ating katawan. At ang kagandahan nito, yung storage doon sa fat natin, nilalabas natin yan through urination, through sweating, and through bowel movement. So yun ang nakakaganda kay coffee burn. Stimulate fat oxidation. And of course, ito yung kanyang ingredient. Ang pinakamaganda dito is yung psyllium husk fiber. Ito yung absorb water in the gut and helps regulate bowel movement. Kaya, ang nangyayari, yung fats natin, naitatain natin siya, naipapawis natin siya, at naiihi natin siya naturally. And with Maran Collagen, ito yung pinamaganda na meron kang rehydration sa skin mo at binabalat niya yung elasticity ng inyong balat. And next, ito yung magiging improve packaging natin in the months to come with coffee burn. So meron na siyang stick at kulay dilaw na yung next the new design. Extreme Vitality, ito pa rin ang napakaganda yung Extreme Vitality natin. Number one, meron siyang good placenta which is known for cellular repair. At yung tinatawag nating Jagulan herb which is considered as the herb of immortality. Nandun yan sa video natin. At ang kagandahan nito, sakop niya lahat yung tinatawag nating mga ailments sa ating katawan. So, with continuous use, ang maganda dito, lalo-lalo na kung diabetic ka o tinatawag natin kung mataas yung sugar mo, may tendency na bumaba yung sugar level mo because not only with the stevia, but also with lycopene. At lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay nawawala ng energy, you have ginseng. Lalong-lalo na sa mga athletic person na mahilig mag-exercise, mahilig yung tinatawag nating beyond the activities na ginagawa mo, nasusupplement niya yun. And ang pinakagusto ko rin dito kay tinatawag nating Vitality Extreme, yung kamo-kamo, which is very rich in vitamin C. So pag ginawan mo yan at dinignan mo yan, mas mataas pa yung vitamin C niyan compared to other fruits. And of course, stevia, lalong-lalo na sa mga may diabetes, pwede nila itong i-take because hindi siya mag-spike yung sugar mo dahil ang gamit natin ay stevia, known for controlling blood sugar. And of course, ang benefit ng Extreme Vitality natin protects the brain cell, assist in treating asthma symptoms. Kung meron kang tinatawag na asthma, maganda rin si Extreme Vitality because it will help you. Instead na gumamit ka ng tinatawag na inhaler, in continuous use, mababawasan na yung paggamit mo ng inhaler kasi papalakasin niya yung immune system mo. Yun ang kagandahan nito, it can treat an asthma symptoms. And also kung laging masakit yung ulo mo, meron kang migraine at ang dito, you will be able to yung tinatawag nating pwede mawala yung migraine mo. Lalong-lalo na rin sa mga taong may depression. Hindi madali kung meron kang depression because kung meron kang depression, hindi ka makatulog, at the same time ayaw mo kumain, kailangan natin ng nutrition ng ating katawan. Maganda tinatawag natin si Extreme Vitality because it will improve your mental health. Once na improve yung mental health mo, na maging malakas ka, also, it will also alleviate your depression. And at yung Extreme Vitality, ito yung mga preventive measure, pwede mong maiwasan, heart disease, high blood, prostate problem, lalo na sa mga prostate problem, lalo na yung mga may UTI, lalo na yung mga kabataan natin na mahilig kumain ng junk food. So kung may mga anak kayong mahilig kumain ng junk food at lagi may UTI, pwede ito siya. Pwede mo siyang i-substitute. Constipation, maganda din, leukemia. Pero leukemia on the level na on the level na it has to do with the doctor's supervision. Pwede siya makatulong sa mga may leukemia patient. Also sa stroke, diabetes, asthma, pneumonia, cancer, yung mga sexual dysfunction, ito yung tinatawag natin na hindi na siguro tinitigasan, hindi na tumatayo, hindi na nagpapag ceremony, yung tinatawag nating simanol, pagdating ng tinatawag nating kailangan na sa gabi para makipagbakbakan. So maganda din pala sa Extreme Vitality. Kung bumibili kayo ng Robust sa butika na napakamahal, I think that's 100 pesos per tablet, ibili nyo na lang siya siguro ng Extreme Vitality because na-address pa yung maraming ailments sa inyong katawan. And also dengue, tumor, wow, itong pinakamaganda dito, tumor, dengue, and bacterial infection and other degenerative disease. So guys, ang kagandahan nito, Extreme Vitality natin, meron siyang tinatawag na mga scientific studies kay Jagulan Herb. Meron siyang 570 scientific study kay Akay Berry. Meron din siyang 532 scientific studies at kay Goji Berry, meron siyang 1,822 scientific studies. So yung ating pinaka-product na Extreme Vitality, ang kagandahan nito, meron siyang case study if you want to research more about this product. So talagang ma-amaze ka sa product nito kung talagang pagtutuunan mo yung mga pansin, itong mga literature na to. At saka at the same time, maaaring maging overall health mo, talagang mabibigyan ng pansin. So sabi nga natin, prevention is better than cure. So next guys, disclaimer lang, as a food supplement, yung ating product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. But ang kagandahan natin, pwede itong maiwasan. But definitely, if you want to include this in your supplementation, lalong-lalo na yung pag-take ng mga maintenance, better for you to consult your physician para mas magandang ma-address na maayos kung paano nyo iti-take yung ganitong supplement at saka the same time kung paano makakatulong sa ating overall health. Pero huwag niyong kakalimutan pa rin yung nire-reseta ng doktor sa inyo. Dito na tayo sa The Power of Idilmo. The Power of Idilmo is not just an application, guys. It is a platform built with innovation, katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, to provide multiple income streams and financial wellness. Kasi pag healthy tayo at to-provide ng financial wellness, yun ang unang-una talagang maganda. Kasi ang kagandahan with the product, ang unang-unang pinangangalagaan niya, yung health natin, aanin mo yung masyadong maraming pera at kung mauubos lang naman ito sa mga treatment mo o mga sakit mo, so hindi mo rin may-enjoy instead na mag-travel ka, instead na itulong mo sa ibang tao, nauubos lang dun sa sarili mo because hindi mo na pinapahalagaan yung health mo. So, kailangan meron din tayong tinatawag na wellness, yung tinatawag natin na financial wellness in a balanced form. Of course, it enables user to create sustainable income, enhance entrepreneurial skills, fostering a balanced life that's fulfilling both personally and professionally. Ito yung gusto kong vision ni Idilmo. Kasi kung pag-aaralan mo talaga yung income stream ni Idilmo at saka yung mga services that you can leverage, probably pwede ka nang ditong magkaroon ng tinatawag nating retirement stage. At saka the same time yung income na inaasahan mo, kayang ibigay ni Idilmo basta you have a better understanding of the marketing of the Idilmo application itself, especially the affiliate network marketing. Next guys is if you want to journey with Idilmo, napaka-crucial to choose a product. So ito yung mga available ng products natin. Ito yung pinaka-cornerstone ng Idilmo. You need to choose a product package from the following available packages. Sa innate packages, yung product package natin is 7,988 na merong potential income when done rightly 4,800 at yung potential income niya 336,000 on the weekly at yung kanyang potential income sa monthly is 1,440,000. Mamaya pag-usapan natin kung posible ba to. So ito yung tinatawag nating elite package. Kung ito yung pipiliin mo, ito yung kanyang potential income. Yung sunod naman, yung tinatawag nating starter package. Yung starter package natin is medyo maliit. That is costing around 1,988 at ang kanyang pwedeng daily potential income is 12,000 pesos at yung kanyang weekly potential income is na 84,000 pesos at yung kanyang monthly income nasa 360,000 pesos. And again, yung yung pinakamaliit natin, yung Jumpstart package, which is only 988. Ang potential income nito on the everyday basis is 6,000. On the weekly basis is 42,000 and the monthly basis is 180,000. So guys, nakikita niyo na ngayon kung ano yung advantage ng kung pipili ka ng package. Ano pipiliin nyo? Elite, Jumpstart, or yung Startup? So akong pipiliin nyo, mas pipiliin ko yung Elite. Pero kasi it will yield more income. Kasi ang ano doon guys, pareho lang naman yung effort na gagawin mo eh. Pero kung just in case na nasa Jumpstart yung budget mo, you can upgrade naman anytime para doon sa tinatawag natin pag pumili ka ng tinatawag na package. At pag nakita mo talaga yung income stream at bibigyan mo siya ng panahon, yun talaga yung magiging income mo. Depende sa pipiliin mong packages. And next, para mas maganda, i-download mo yung i-Dealmo application which is available sa Google Play Store and soon it will be available sa App Store or sa ating Apple Store. So search mo lang sa Google Play Store yung i-Dealmo and then download and then install. So the next thing na gagawin mo is try to open the app, select the sign up and enter your details. Remember, kailangan mong i-verify yung email address mo. Huwag kang gagamit dito ng fake email address kasi it won't work. You need a valid email address and also a valid phone number. See to it na parehong valid yan kasi kung hindi valid yan, magkakaroon ka ng problema sa sign up mo. And next thing is activate your account. Choose your product from the packages na gusto mo. What we have is the Elite, the Starter package, and the Jumpstart. So pili ka lang doon, follow the instruction to complete the payment, and your account will be activated and you will be ready to begin with a Dealmo journey. So guys, ang pag-usapan natin yung income potential. Type 1, kung mabilis ba ako, guys, para at least medyo bagalan ko ng konti. Okay lang ba yung explanation natin? Nakukuha ba? Anyone, guys? Para makita ko lang yung yung ating explanation. Okay lang ba yung natin? Clear ba yung ating yung ating boses? Okay, guys, thank you so much. So, guys, ang number 1 natin is yung reward details. So, earn a reward profit ranging from 15 to 50% on each product sold. So ang kagandahan dito, kung up na lahat yung tinatawag nating services doon kay Dealmo, pwede tayo palang kumita doon sa 15% to 50% on each product. Actually guys, ang ganda ng nito, ang ganda ng kanyang formulation doon sa kanyang retail income. Kasi kay Lazada, nagbibigay lang sila ng 12% eh. Ang pinakamataas kay Lazada at saka kay Shopee, nagbibigay lang sila hanggang 17% to 20%. Pero kay Dealmo, yung reward details hanggang 50%. So talagang napaka-generous ng company na binibigyan tayo ng ganitong income bracket in terms of percentage. I-research nyo kay Lazada at saka kay Shopee. Napakaliit ng percentage nila hanggang 20% lang. So in order for us to maximize our income, focus on building a strong customer base. When I say customer base, see to it that you will be able to take care of your own downlines or of your own affiliates. See to it that meron kang system or meron kang ginagawa na you are mentoring them, you are answering their question, and you are offering the needs, offering the solution. So excellent customer service in any form ng negosyo, napakaganda. Lalo-lalo na if you have the product knowledge of IDILMO application, it will yield more significant information so doon sa mga nagtatanong. Kasi yung mga nagtatanong, pag yan ay nasagot mo ng tama, in the long run, magiging partner mo yan. Because kaya nga sila nagtatanong, because they want to learn about the opportunity of IDILMO at saka at the same time, the income potential in a very transparent and honest way. Next is the hybrid direct referral. So ito ay isang pamamaraan how to reward you, receive bonuses based on the packages that you're going to purchase. So sa Jumpstart, pwede kang kumita sa direct referral na 100 pesos. Sa starter, medyo malaki, 300. And of course, yung elite natin, pag yun ang pinili mo, you have a direct referral of worth of 1,200. The more referral you secure, the higher your bonus. May nagtanong sa akin, Sir Chris, paano kung puro recruit lang ako at walang nagpa-purchase ng product? Sabi ko, okay lang yun kasi in long term, since nakikita nila yung deal mo application, nakikita nila yung mga products mo, eventually, maghahanap yan kung paano sila yung convenience to purchase, lalo-lalo na yung tinatawag natin bills and payment. Alam nga lumabas pa sila sa isang application, naandun na mismo yung kanilang gagawin at kung kailangan nila ng load, kung magpa-purchase na sila directly. And when they purchase, of course, you will earn from the retail na binibili nila doon. At saka at the same time, also, your e-wallet will have the commission directly into your account. So, ganun kaganda si IDILMO. So, in order for us to maximize our income potential or maximum performance, develop a strategy to consistently attract and engage new referrals. Don't stop from one. And then personalize your outreach. Kung gaano kaganda si IDILMO, share mo lang. Then showcasing the benefit potential of joining IDILMO that it can help your referrals and also the maximize of your referral earnings. So, pag ginawa mo to, magkakaroon ka na tinatawag natin the more referral that you have, and eventually, they will buy inside the IDILMO application with the following products and services that we have. Next is, this is the binary plan. Ito yung tinatawag nating binary. The binary plan is earned from the binary plan from every match from your left and right. You can achieve 20 pairs per day in 2 cycles within a maximum of 7 accounts per name. So kaya ginawa ito para at least naman yung company meron siyang tinatawag na safety net. So that whenever the company is, for example, kailangan budgetan yung isang bagay, merong budget yung company at ako, transparent ako dito because syempre, ang company kailangan din kumita. So kumikita ka, kumikita rin yung company, that's fair. So in order for you to maximize your performance, align your team to ensure the balance and growth both sides. Kailangan balance yan. Regularly mentor your team members to optimize their performance, ensuring steady and sustainable development. Mamaya siguro magtatanong kayo, Sir Chris, paano yan? Mamaya ipapaliwanag namin sa iyo paano kami makakatulong sa pamamagitan ng IDILMO University. Next, exploring the potential income. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng binary? Binary is a network marketing that were created to simplify the process and enhance transparency. This system has evolved to include measures for sustainability and fairness, promoting balance and growth through the collective effort and mutual support. Maraming ginagamit ng mga binary sa Pilipinas, lalong-lalo na tinatawag natin mga affiliate marketing. Andiyan yung mga tinatawag natin XYZ company, hindi na ako magbabagot. Kaya yun na ito ginagamit is napaka-effective kasi ng binary system when done rightly. Kaya pag nakikita nilang kumikita yung binary, kumikita din yung company at saka at the same time, pag kumita yung company at lalong lumaki yung income ng company, lalo rin lalaki yung income mo. So napakaganda ng binary kasi ito yung isa sa pinakamabilis na paraan para kumita yung network mo if done rightly. So ito yung Jumpstart package natin. You will earn on the first pair 750. Pagdating sa third pair, meron kang tinatawag na lifestyle points, fourth lifestyle points, fifth lifestyle points, 6 and 7, meron kang 750, 8 and 9 hanggang sa onward. Pagdating sa 10th pair, meron kang lifestyle points. Pagdating sa 11th pair, yun yung tinatawag natin flash out. Para na yun sa company. So, dito, the maximum income that you will have is 2 cycles, 6,000 per day, or maximum income per day, and 42,000 per week. and 180,000 per month. So, one lifestyle points equals 15 points. So, mamaya ipapaliwanag natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng TSR. So, ito naman yung tinatawag natin yung sa PM cycle. Ito naman sa morning cycle. Ito naman sa noon cycle. 11 pair, 750 up to 12 pair, 750. Pagdating ng 13, 14, 15, 15, meron kang tinatawag na lifestyle points. Mamaya papaliwanag natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng lifestyle points. So sa 17, 16 and 17, meron kang tinatawag na pair of 750 pesos. And 18, 19 to 20, you have a fair lifestyle points. Pag nag-21, flash out yan sa company yan. And next is what we call the binary compensation. Ito naman yung tinatawag natin sa starter package. Kanina, balik ko lang, ito yung sa jumpstart, ito naman yung tinatawag natin sa starter package. In essence, the binary compensation plan is a system where members can earn income through two legs or sub-legs. They are responsible for building and supporting. So, huwag kang matakot ng bigbil ka ng left and right. Basta sinusuportahan mo sila ng tama, yun din ang gagawin nila doon sa kanila magkakaroon ng referral. So dito, ang tinatawag talaga dito, ang totoong tulungan talaga isa nasa binary. Ngayon, dapat yung leader mo, tinutulungan ka, minimentor ka, at saka the same time, nag-e-effort talaga. So ang kailangan mo as a leader, as a potential referral, teach your downline how to do the same with you para mas mabilis yung tinatawag nating duplication level. Again, sa starter package, AM sa morning, you have, mas mataas yung kanyang first and second, you have 1,500 each. 3, 4, and to 5th level, meron kang lifestyle points. Sa 6 and to 7th level, meron kang 1,500. And 8 and 9 and 10, meron kang tinatawag na lifestyle points. Mas malaki yung lifestyle points nito, which is equivalent to 30 points. At yung 11, flash out yun. Sa PM naman, same thing din, 11 to 12, meron kang tinatawag na 1,500 per. 13, 14, 15, you have a lifestyle points which is equivalent to 1 lifestyle points or equivalent to 30 points. Mas malaking points nito. And then 15 and 16, you have, I'm correcting myself, 16 and 17, you have 1,500. 17, you have also 1,500 for the pair. And 18, 19 to 20, you have a pair of lifestyle points which is again equivalent to 30 points. So pag 21, flash out yan. Again, exploring the income for the income potential, the binary compensation plan promotes balanced growth through a two-leg structure, left and right, encouraging to support and exclusivity for success. So kung nagsusupport kayo ng one another dito, ang kagandahan nito, pag ginawa mo ng tama yung left and right mo at yan ay pumapalo ng sabay, ma-maximize mo yung income mo. So when you purchase the elite package which has the highest two-cycle income, which is 48,000 maximum per day, 336 maximum per week, and per month the potential income is 1,440,000 per month. So one lifestyle point, malaki yung points niya, is equivalent to 120 points, guys. Ito ang kagandahan nito. So when you be able to maximize your the elite package, again, the first pair and second pair, that's 6,000. Third, fourth, and fifth, that is lifestyle points. 6 and 7, that is 6,000 pair bonus. 8 and 9 and 10, again, that is lifestyle points. And yung 11 onward, that is flash out. And then sa PM cycle, it is the same. 11 and 12, you have your pair of 6,000 pesos. 13, 14, and 15, you have the lifestyle points. And 16 and 17, you have a pair of 6,000 pesos. 18, 19, 20, you have a lifestyle points. And pagdating naman sa 21, that is flash out. Pupunta na siya sa company. So, facts. Ito yung facts sa binary. The binary compensation plan in network marketing promotes balanced growth and support by dividing efforts into teams. This strategy encourages shared success, community building, and mutual development, aligning with commitment to individual and collective well-being. Share ko lang, guys, under our organization, nag-start na kami ng team building at tinuturuan namin yung downlines namin kung paano sila mag-multiply correctly. We're using the psychology of principles of mind setting para maganda yung kanilang tinatawag ng background for sharing the other opportunity. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo. So yung income illustration natin, yung binary plan, is a pointing system. The jump start is 0.5 points. Starter natin is 1 point. And yung elite natin is 4 points. Wherein 1 point equals 1 pair. So yung 1 pair natin, per pair natin is 1,500 per pair. Next, guys, in essence, a well-designed compensation plan is not just about financial remuneration. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued, motivated, and empowered. So ito yung kagandahan ng binary. If you have one mindset and if you have one tinatawag nating strategy, imagine kung lahat yan sabay-sabay nagagawa, sabay-sabay magkakaroon ng empowerment, that will be the maximum income effort na mangyayari sa inyo. So those things, ang kailangan nito, kailangan talagang mentoring kung paano gawin yung tamang binary or multiplication system inside to have a multiple income stream inside the binary system. And lifestyle rewards, accumulate points from every third, fourth, and fifth. Ito kanina yung pinag-usapan natin. Third, fourth, and fifth, 9 and 10 and 9 and 10 pair, earning to 300 to 120 lifestyle points per pair. So dito, pag naka-accumulate ka at pinagsama-sama na yung mga points na yon, ito yung lifestyle rewards natin. Pwede ka dito magkaroon ng tinatawag nating SUV, pwede ka dito magkaroon ng Mustang, pwede ka dito magkaroon ng Camaro, pwede ka magkaroon dito ng Raptor, pwede ka dito magkaroon ng Apple phone, pwede ka dito magkaroon ng Yamaha NMAX or fully paid na isang Nissan Almera or yung G-Shock o yung tinatawag na iPhone. So naiipon siya as you go along with the business. Kahit hindi mo pansinin yan, naiipon siya. Whether ang na-purchase mo ay yung tinatawag nating elite, jumpstart, or yung tinatawag nating starter. So by accumulating or generating income, kasama na yung points doon. So the more that you are working with your team, the more that you are producing, lalaki yung lifestyle rewards natin in due time. And eventually, you will be able to purchase the following reward points that is stated in this presentation. Again, the team, ito na yung tinatawag nating TSR or the Team Sales Royal Reward. Reward, earn 5% team sales reward from your direct referral whenever they earn from the binary plan. So, ibig sabihin, in order for you to maximize the 5%, kailangan meron kang minimum 5 direct referral to enjoy the tinatawag nating team sales royalty reward. So, meron kang from your, ikaw yung nasa taas, meron ka dito sa left and right, meron kang tinatawag na 4 sa baba mo. So pag nag-fail yan, you have the potential to have an income of 5%. Now, ito naman yung unilevel. Rewards details. Gain unilevel reward from your downline on the monthly product maintenance ranging from 15% to 55% depending on your position. Mamaya makikita natin yung position. So the insight, ano kailangan natin gawin? Foster a culture of regular product usage and compliance with the monthly maintenance requirement within your downline. Transparency about the benefit and shared success stories that can encourage each other. So kailangan guys may nangyayaring purchasing inside our organization. Kasi pag tumigil yung purchasing, hindi ka rin magkakaroon ng income in the long run. So kailangan merong return purchase of the product. Malinaw yan. Kapag meron kang return purchase or bumibili ka ng product, you will earn points. And saka at the same time, the more nag-accumulate yung tinatawag nating point system inside the referral program. So the minimum maintenance at least 100 PB per month. Napakaliit lang nito guys. So you have 50 PB doon sa tinatawag nating elite, 60 PB kung tinatawag nating ito sa starter at saka 5 PB sa tinatawag nating jumpstart. So, ito yung unilevel rewards. Unilevel rewards are the incentive structure commonly used in various organizations. Kahit yung tinatawag natin yung pinakasikat na company na Avon at saka yung Natasha, gumagamit sila ng mga unilevel. So, ang kagandahan sa unilevel is that the various organizations, including healthcare institutions, to recognize the financially reward individuals based on their direct and indirect contribution. So ito maganda dito sa IDILMO system natin. The more na gumagamit ka ng product, the more na gumagamit ka ng tinatawag natin mga application, tumataas yung tinatawag nating point value o yung ating tinatawag nating unilevel. So sa first, meron ka tinatawag na 55 and then 4 and then 220 and so on to the 10th level. Kung ma-accumulate mo yung tinatawag nating staircase, mamaya pa makikita natin yun. Meron kang pwedeng potential income kung ma-hit mo yung pinakamataas at i-compute mo yun, you have the potential earning in the unilevel of 57,671,680 pesos. So ito na yun guys. Ito yung tinatawag nating step-up bonus. Your unilevel percentage increase as you step up based on your team's product points accumulation and individual maintenance. So pag sales ka, meron kang 15% on your unilevel. Pag naging supervisor ka, meron kang 20%. Pag naging manager ka, yung unilevel mo 30% na. Pag naging national director ka, at ang requirement nito, meron kang at least 3 manager under your team, meron kang tinatawag na 50%, and pag naging ambassador ka, at least 2 national director in your level, pwede ka nang kumita ng 55% yung nakita niyong illustration kanina. So develop a roadmap for personal and team growth, regularly review product progress, and set actionable targets to advance through the ranks and unlocking higher percentage. So, ito naman yung global sales bonus na sinasabi natin. Every year, if you are able to participate in the global rewards bonus, earn 5% to 10% from the company's global annual sales. So, ang maganda dito, kung ano man, magkano makitain ng company, paghahatian nyo yun to 5% to 2%. Kung yan ay nag-milyon yan, paghahatian nyo yun. So, in order for us to maximize the income potential of the company on the yearly basis, participate in the company-wide initiative, and stay informed about the global strategies, contributing to and engaging with the broader IDILMO community that can enhance your sale to global sales. So, ibig sabihin guys, kung wala tayo, wala din si company. Kung magsisipag tayo, nandyan si company. So, this is a win-win effort situation. And next, etong pinakagusto ko guys, meron siyang money back guarantee. Kung hindi ka kumita sa loob ng 180 days, ibabalik sa iyo ni company yung pera mo, whether it is elite, whether it is starter, whether it is jumpstart. So, pag kumita ka naman, hindi na ibabalik ni company sa iyo. So, disclaimer lang withdrawals are permitted after completing an amount of 1,988 or 7,988 if you earn from your net worth. The money back guarantee is forfeited kung kumita ka na. So in order for us to enjoy, focus on the strategic planning and consistent engage to drive early success, utilize the support and resources available to ensure that you surpass 180-day income threshold. So guys, ang kagandahan nito, pag may naging member na operator na ikaw mismo yung nag-invite, you can earn as 85% commission as per service provider. Additionally, if you repair another service provider, you will earn a percentage level from their bookings down to the 5th level. So sa first level, 1%, second level, 2%, 3, 4, and 5th level, pwede ka nang kumita ng 1% doon sa tinatawag nating mga bookings doon sa service provider. So inside, leverage your network to recruit new service provider para mag-multiply yung income mo through their activities, providing them with robust support and guidance that can create a sustainable and profit chain reaction. Ang requirement lang para maging member, yung na-invite mo, dapat meron siyang barangay clearance, police clearance para legit, full of vaccination card, proof of your profession skills na merong certificate, and then pay your activation from your operator or yung tinatawag natin kung sino nagpapatakbo inside IDILMO, doon siya magbabayad para maging isa siyang service provider. And then, eto yung tinatawag nating withdrawal. Pag umabot ng 5,000 yung binary mo, kailangan umabot ng 5,000 yung binary mo para magkaroon ka ng minimum withdrawal sa Jumpstart. Sa binary naman ng tinatawag nating starter, kailangan umabot ng 10,000 para maka-withdraw ka sa starter package. Pag doon naman sa elite, kailangan umabot yung binary mo worth of 40,000 para maka-withdraw ka doon sa elite package. So sa direct referral naman, yung TSR dapat meron kang 300 minimum withdrawal. So dito merong tinatawag tayong 5% admin fee, 5% tax, and tinatawag nating 50 pesos transaction fee. So you can actually withdraw from anytime, real time, peer-to-peer sa GCash, Soon to, Maya, Bido, and or any other BPI bank or any bank na available. And of course, teka lang guys, medyo nag-ano lang yung ang kagandahan nito is yung ano natin, peer-to-peer, pwede mag-withdraw sa office, automated, real-time, anytime. So ito yung tinatawag nating history kung paano na-develop si deal mo. So na-conceptualize siya noong February 23, nagkaroon ng simulation noong July 2023, nagkaroon ng SEC registration noong March 2024, at ditong 2024 early stage ng mga January and February, nagkaroon siya ng application programming interface with a new line of products. So from the market analysis, website development, website applications, opening ng ating office, and then improve product packaging. Tapos ngayon, ang ginagawa ng corporate team natin at saka ng kanilang partner developer, continuous development ng application including the Android at saka iOS. So guys, ito yung tinatawag nating provincial stockists. So kung meron kayong ma-invite na isang 500,000 pesos kung gustong magkaroon ng isang provincial stockist, open po siya. So pwede niyang tinatawag na pwedeng kitain as meron siyang 180 starter package. So equivalent yun sa 357,000, meron agad siya noon. Meron pa siyang coupon for 180 starter or it can be converted into Jumpstart at saka Elite package. Sa repeat purchase, pwedeng kumita sa Jumpstart package ng 25 pesos rather, sorry. Starter package 50 pesos, sa Elite package 200 pesos. So other products, meron siyang Extreme Vitality 50 pieces which is worth of 45,000 pesos without point value. Glutagency 50 pesos, 50 pieces which is equivalent to 72,000 pesos without point value. Copy burn 100 pieces which is equivalent to 18,000 pesos without point value, and 7 Elite activation which is equivalent to 55,916. So meron siyang 55% on the loose product. Ang total ng kanyang ROI, meron agad siyang tubo na 48,756 pesos or a total value of 548,756. Sa tinatawag naman nating Mega Depot Program, same thing din, higher lang yung computation. Quantity of total packages. A starter is 1,900 each. Total is 1,900, equivalent to 3,777 pesos and 200 pesos. The quantity for the Elite package is 7,900 each. The total value is 60 times 7,988, which is equivalent for 479,280. So meron siyang coupon na worth of 1,900 starter coupon that can be converted into Jumpstart or Elite package. So mas mataas yung kanyang tinatawag na repeat purchase sa Jumpstart, 30 pesos, sa starter package, 60 pesos, sa Elite package, that is 240. Sa loose products, 500 pieces ng worth of 400,000 without PB, Glutagen, 320,000 pesos without PB, Copy burn 1,000 pieces, 200,000 without PB, and 7 Elite personal activation of worth of 55,916. So all in all, ang pwede niyang tubuin dito kung maglalabas siya ng 5 billion is 232,396, which is a grand total of 5,232,396. And of course, para ma-suportahan natin yung mga stockists at mega stockists depot, ang kagandahan nito, we can provide training session for skill and improvement, workshop for new tools. financial aid option like microloans para mas lalong makatulong, bonuses for achieving goals, collaboration and marketing campaign, peer support and networking events, mentorship program, at ang pinakamaganda, yung provincial natin at saka yung mega stockies natin, meron po siyang money back guarantee just in case hindi kumita. Yun ang kagandahan niya. Kaya worthwhile talaga yung mag-i-invest dito o yung mahihikayat nating to grab that opportunity for being a provincial stockies and mega stockies. So guys, in order for us to have the maximum income, we have what we call the power of 4x4 system. At least avail 3 accounts for yourself. Refer at least 4 friends that will get each minimum of 3 accounts and teach them to do the same. So if done rightly, nakapaloob doon yung training, nakapaloob doon yung tinatawag nating mentoring, nakapaloob doon yung tinatawag nating stimulation, nakapaloob doon yung tinatawag nating program, you can have that momentum of income in the next 3 to 7 months. Again, ulitin ko, kailangan meron ka ditong matinong programa. Hindi ka lang dapat dito mag-recruit. Hindi ka lang dapat dito yung tinatawag nating isasalpak mo lang sila. So they need to understand how they will be also to have a generous income of the 4x4 system. So next, ito yung automated 4x4 system natin. Kung kumuha siya ng Jumpstart package, first month ang available pwedeng kitain niya is 1 million is 500 perfect duplication. Second month, 6 million. Third month is 24 million. Fourth month is 96 million. Fifth month is 384. Oh, sorry guys, 1,500 pala. The second month is 6,000. Third month is 24,000. Fourth month is 96,000. And fifth month is 384,000. And 6 month is 1,536,000 pesos. And the 7th month, it has the potential income of 6,144,000. Ang tanong dito, posible ba to? Yes, that is possible kung meron kang tinatawag na sistema. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung kung anong klaseng sistema niyon. Sa starter package, ito naman mas since mas maliit yung kanyang tinatawag na requirement or capital. Sa first month, pwede kang kumita ng 3,000. Second month, perfect duplication. Pwede kang kumita ng 12,000. Sa third month, pwede kang kumita ng 48,000. Fourth month, pwede kang kumita ng 192,000. Fifth month, 768,000. Sa sixth month, 3,072,000 pesos. Sa seventh month, 12,288,000 pesos. And of course, yung sa elite package natin, since ito yung pinakamataas, kailangan perfect duplication. Then, 12,000 sa first month. Second month is 48,000. Third month is 192,000. Fourth month is 768,000. Fifth month is 3,072,000 pesos. Sixth month is 12,288,000. Seventh month is 49,152,000 pesos. Yun yung 4x4 system natin. So again, nasa building legacy na tayo. As a marketing professional, the essence of our work is to nurture, in this case, we nurture financial health. Embrace in Dilmo means not just growing our health, our wealth, but fostering relation or partnership, building community, and contributing to an ever-expanding network of empowered individuals. So anong step natin in order for us to achieve this legacy? Engage on the daily activity, educate and share, monitor your progress, and invest on the continuous learning. Ngayon, ang tanong ko kanina, yung kaninang nakita natin doon sa 4x4 system, di ba ang lalaki ng mga pwedeng kitain? Pwede ba natin kitain yun? Yes, pwede natin kitain yun kung gagawa tayo ng isang matinong programa. Ano yun? Kailangan ka lang magkaroon ng specific goal. Kailangan maintindihan mo lang yung responsibility mo. Kailangan mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Invest on your continuous learning. And kailangan din, alam mo yung responsibility mo, paano mo palakihin yung organization mo. Ang tanong doon, gagastos ka ba? Yes, of course, gagastos ka doon kasi hindi magkakaroon ng realization, yung income na yun, nakita natin kung mismo tayo, hindi tayo gagawa ng effort. Kung magre-rely lang tayo sa tinatawag nating nirecruit ko to, then bahala ka na dyan, hindi magkakaroon ng progress yan. Remember, binary is a shared effort and a shared essence of responsibility. So if you ever has that the power that they can feel that the responsibility is growing for them to have that income. Kung gagawin nyo yan on the same mindset, the possibility of that income can be achieved. Pwedeng ma-achieve yan ng tinatawag nating 1 month, 2 months, depende sa magiging effort mo. So, syempre, kailangan mong gumastos, kailangan magkaroon ka rin ng resources, kailangan bigyan mo siya ng panahon at saka bigyan mo siya ng tamang attention so that we will be able to realize na yung negosyo na yun nangangailangan pala ng serious attention in order for you to grow your income. So invest on the continuous learning as your legacy. Educate and share kung ano mo yung natutunan mo. Flag in with the system of IDILMO kung paano ka lumaki, kung paano ka maging professional marketer or networker. And then monitor your progress on the individual basis. That's the secret how you will be able to grow your organization. No ifs, no shortcuts. And then, the summary doon sa IDILMO, malapit, ngayong katapusan guys, I'm happy to say to you natin, salamat doon sa effort ng virtual assistant ko. Lalabas na po yung ating ebook ngayong katapusan ng August. So here, ang summary ng ating ebook is comprehensive coverage, detailed strategies for online and offline marketing, digital techniques inside the social media SEO, pinasimple siya, maiintindihan nyo, traditional methods on guidance on the community, outreach and local advertising, integrated approach, balancing digital and traditional method for effective strategies, easy to understand, made accessible with clear language, proven strategies, focus on evidence and based on practices, empowering tools to build a trust relationship with your patient, lalong-lalo na kung product movement ka, at saka dun sa community. Commitment and excellence sa patient care natin, holistic vision. So, eto, pag binigay namin sa inyo to, you have now the power to achieve the 4x4 marketing system ng IDILMO because you have already equipped yourself with the necessary attitude, the necessary skills, at saka at the same time, how you will be able to nurture your own responsibility building your own business. And of course, andun yung IDILMO University natin. Katulad nga na nasabi ko minsan, may invite ko dito si Chinkitan for him to teach us the network marketing principles and strategies building our professional network, the psychology, understanding the human behavior, improve our interaction, and other professionals na gumagamit ng digital marketing, learning the latest tools with Go Negosyo, techniques to excel in the online marketing, and also how to use a social media platform, how to influence your a sense of na pag nakita nila yung post, no, you will contribute more on the effort of giving value. At IDILMO University, we blend crucial knowledge with genuine compassion, ensuring our partners are prepared for professional success and meaningful community impact. Ito yung pwede namin ibigay na support sa inyo 100% na walang gastos kaming sisingilin o a single centavo just only to support your IDILMO business. And finally, meron po kaming webinar nakapost sa IDILMO University. Mag-sign up lang kayo. This is a 4-week webinar course on the psychology of self-improvement because napaka-importante nito lalong-lalo na yung goal setting natin, lalo-lalo na yung mind setting natin. So, ang kagandahan nito, pag natapos nyo yung course outline na to, you will receive a certificate of attendance and other literature in order for you to enhance the capabilities on how you will be able to improve yourself. So, week 1, a detailed structure of introduction to self-improvement, psychology. Week 2, cognitive and behavioral strategies. Week 3, emotional intelligence and self-regulation. And 4th week is the long-term strategies and goal setting in order for you to achieve whatever you desire in your life at saka at the same time yung professional level na if you want to achieve something on the deeper level. So guys, final thoughts. In closing, remember that your journey with IDILMO is about more than just an income. It's about building a future that aligns with your professional and personal aspiration. Start today, make an informed decision and watch your efforts blossom into a sustained growth. So next step, ano kailangan gawin? Reflect on which product that aligns with your goals. Download and activate your IDILMO application. engage with our community, or or with our community na Idilmo, with, and also with the other community, with our leaders, continue to participate and continue to communicate with them, and then engage with the community and resources available inside with our Idilmo University. Monitor and celebrate your progress in one step at a time. Celebrate your victories, kahit maliit man lang yan. And most of all, be part of our community, enjoying the generous income that you have seen in our presentation. So guys, thank you so much. May iwanan lang ako motivation sa inyo. You can change the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Hindi na pwedeng baguhin natin yung situation natin ngayon. But we can change our sails in order for us to realize the income that we need to achieve. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Medyo na pausa. Thank you guys. Back to you. Nasaan na yung host natin? Guys, if you have any question, please type lang, sasagutin natin. Thank you sa pag-attend nyo. Thank you sa mga newcomer. I hope na nakakontribute kami ng magandang presentation sa inyong lahat.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Palakpakan po na natin. Mag-send lang po tayo kung naririnig nyo ako. Paki-send lang natin ng kaway dyan or claps ang ating napakagaling na talagang speaker, very scientific at talagang ang dami kong natutunan ngayong gabi na to kay Coach Christopher. Palakpakan po natin siya. Thank you much. Very much, Coach Christopher. Talagang the best. So, yun nga, tulad ng sinabi niya, makikita natin, di ba? Parang itong parang nasa eskwelahan na tayo, nasa isang university na tayo, guys. Kung nung kabataan natin, nag-aral tayo, elementary, 6 years tayo sa elementary, then 4 years tayo sa high school, nag-college pa tayo, 4 years, nag-masteral pa tayo. Di ba? Ang laki ng effort natin, talaga nagpupuyat tayo, nagsusunog tayo ng pilay. Pero after that, di ba, ang bagsak natin, employee tayo. Pero this time, dito sa Idilmo, para tayong nasa isang eskulahan, na kung i-apply natin yung mga nakaginasnan natin noon, yung pag-aaral, aaralin natin to, i-adapt natin si Idilmo, tatanggapin natin sa sarili natin talaga na ito talaga ang pwede magpa-aseso sa atin. Ay masasabi ko, pag graduate mo rito, mayaman ka na.
Yes.
Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Talagang mayaman ka na rito. Yun ang masasabi ko. Ang sarap niyang aralin. So kung kayo yung mga tipong naghahanap talaga ng isang company na talagang feeling nyo talagang yung masasabi natin na talagang sasamahan kayo hanggang sa dulong-dulo. Ito na yon, nandito kami. Kami yung mga sa inyo, mag-guide sa inyo. So, thank you very much. Thank you very much sa sa gabing ito na nilaan mo, Coach Christopher. At sa ngayon, siyempre, open tayo for question and answer huwag kayong mahihiya. Yung mga gustong magtanong na rito, lalo na yung gusto maglagay ng suggestion diyan, mag-message lang kayo. At ngayon, ipapakilala naman po natin ang isa pang mentor na natin, napakagaling din. Siya po yung magko-closing nito. Siyempre, kung may question and answer po kayo, siya na po yung sasagot. Actually, isa po siyang successful na isang single mom. Talagang sinasabi niya na single mom po siya. Available to sigurado. Kasi talagang gusto niya single mom siya. And then, widowed for 26 years. Kita nyo 26 years na siya na widowed. Midwifery graduate. So yan, 12 years OFW in Hong Kong. So isa po siya sa mga bayani, buhay na bayani natin. 12 taon siya sa Hong Kong. President din po siya sa isang non-organization sa Hong Kong. So may talagang pagka-leader na talaga to. Businesswoman by profession na rin po siya. Siya po ay may-ari ng MGym Kitchenette, MLM top earner in her previous company. So talagang makikita natin, talagang masarap samahan to, masarap sabayan to kasi mahahawa kasi energy nito. Actually, siya po yung first car achiever natin dito sa Idilmo. A brand new Mitsubishi G4 po yan. Kaya the best ito. And the same time, core leader na rin po rito. At hindi ko na po patatagalin. None other than po, palakpakan po na natin siya. I-greet po natin siya. Ibigay po natin yung pinaka-the best na pagtanggap sa kanya. Walang iba kundi si madiskarting byuda, si Coach Mel B. Bogayong. Okay, palakpakan po natin siya.
Yan, no? Nakakatuwa naman talaga, no? Ang sarap pakinggan ng Zoom natin ngayon, no? So thank you so much kay Coach Benjamin. First time pero talagang parang ang tagal-tagal na niyang nag-i-speaker, no? Sobrang namomotivate po ako kay Coach Benjamin. And of course, sa ating eJourney TV, Coach Chris, isa kang alamat dito sa ating Idilmo. Thank you so much po sa mga ginagawa niyong video. Siya po yung gumagawa ng video natin, ano? But before anything else, syempre, kinakailangan ko munang magpakilala, no? Ako po si Imelda Bataanon View. Dadi Bugayong. Ang haba, napapatawa si Coach Benjamin, no? Kasi nga po, 26 years na akong balo. May nagtanong po sa akin, Coach, nagmahal ka ba after? Of course naman, nagmahal po ako pero nasaktan. Pero hindi pa rin tumitigil, no? Na syempre may ibibigay at bibigay ang Diyos. Tama po ba yon? Kasi nga po, ang sinasabi, pag wala ka daw pangarap, patay ka na. Tama po ba? Ako po yung tao na habang nasusugatan, lalong tumatapang. Yun, di ba? Masarap pakinggan yung mga ganong tao. So, isa lamang po ang aking masasabi sa inyo ngayon. Ako po ay isang midwifery graduate, no? At grabe po talaga yung ating product. Ang sabi nga ni Coach Benjamin, Coach Mel, pwede ba tayong magko-collab daw kami dahil kung siya ay 55, isang taon lamang po ang aming pagitan, no? Ako po ay 54. So kung mapapansin nyo, habang ginagamit ko si Kaori White, tuwang-tuwa ako kay Coach Ben kasi lagi siyang nagpo-push up. Totoo po yung sinasabi niya na talagang kakaiba po ang lakas. Plus yung ating copy, no? Yung mother niya, grabe yung mother niya, no? Ang mother ko din po talagang nag-normal ang kanyang blood pressure. So being midwife for 2 years, no? Ako po ay nagtrabaho din ng hospital. Wala po akong nakita na pumunta sa doktor, nagpa-check up. Pag 40 above na kayo, meron na kayong maintenance. But thank God, kasi nga po, hindi po ako fans ng mga synthetic medicine. Ako po ay fans ng ating mga food supplement lover po ako. Kasi nga, pag sinasabi nating food supplement, yan po ay nakakapagpaganda talaga ng ating cell sa ating katawan. And especially, ang ating pong produkto ay grabe yung collagen, nakakapagpatanggal ng sakit-sakit ng buto. No? Kung mapapansin nyo po, pag dire-diretso nyo ang pag-inom nyo, kita nyo, kaunahan kong nakita ko si Coach Benjamin, ano pa yan eh, sabihin na natin 55 ang age niya, nung time na yon siguro mga 50 ang tingin ko sa kanya. Pero ngayon, parang 35 na lang. Ganon katindi ang ating product. Tama mo ba? So, syempre, bago pa ang lahat, gusto ko munang i-shout out ang ating mga nasa Hong Kong, no? Grabe po, napakarami na po natin ngayon ang nasa ibang bansa. Being OFW po, no? I-share ko lang po, being OFW, napakahirap po na magbabalik bayan ka. Para kang, alam mo yun, nakasakay sa bangka na hindi mo alam kung paano ang pagsagwan mo kung saan ka pupunta. Kasi nga po, syempre, pag nagbalik bayan ka na dito, nag-iiba na po ang klema ng ating katawan. Why? Kasi nga po, sa ibang bansa, ang pinapaligo ko ay hot water. Pagdating ko po dito, namanhid ng aking mga kamay, pati ang aking katawan at ang aking puso. Oh, totoo po iyan. Pero dahil sa mga food supplement lover, shout out daw kay Ma'am Jerin from Singapore. Wow, Malaysia, from Malaysia. Yan, papunta po kami ng Singapore. Ewan ko kay Coach Chris kung kailan po, no? So, sa atin pong mga OFW, panahon na po para putulin natin, no? Ang ating kagustuhan na lumayo sa ating pamilya. So, isabay nyo po, isi-deal mo kasi ito lamang company na to. Kung si Coach Ben ay masyadong pesi pagdating sa negosyo, kung si Coach Chris masyado rin po talaga itong ang hirap talaga nitong paliwanagan, pero nung nakita niya kung sino si Dilmo, grabe to, no? Ang bilis, siya na ngayon ang naggagawa ng video kasi nga po may nakita siyang kakaiba. Kung hindi niyo pa po nakikita yung kakaiba dito, dire-diretso lang po ang inyong panonood ng Zoom kasi nga po we are still looking for mga core leaders. Ano po ba ibig sabihin ng core leader? Ako po ay isang core leader na ng ating Idilmo. Tayo po yung maghahasa, no? Maghahasa at nakakatuwa po pag hindi po kasi si Idilmo nagbabayad ng mga speaker dito, no? Ang mga speaker po dito ay literal na kami po ay mga nag-aaral pa rin. Kumukuha kami ng idea sa bawat isa sa atin. Hindi po kami dito yung, ay magaling na kami. Dito po yung tipo ng mga leader na pag may nakukuha na maganda, ina-apply din po namin sa amin yan. Kaya sa ating mga affiliate, sa ating mga Gen Z, nandyan yung Gen Z natin, 17 years old, no? Kung wala pa kayong nai-invite, tatandaan nyo, nag-umpisa po ako katulad nyo. No? Isa lang po ang laging sumusuport sa akin na kapatid. Ang aking kapatid sa Hong Kong na si Ma'am Lina, no? Siya po ay nag-member na rin dito sa atin. Kaya ang laging pong sinasabi, pag ang sasakyan, pag nagbabantay kayo sa sasakyan, at ito ay hindi tumigil, ibig sabihin puno. Di ba magbabantay pa ulit kayo? Pag tinigilan kayo niyan, sigurado makakasakay kayo. So yun po ang lagi nating tatandaan. Dahil sa ganitong negosyo, ito po yung negosyo na puro rejection. Pero habang nire-reject po kayo nila, don't worry. Why? Kasi po, hindi kayo ang nireject nila. Ang nireject po nila is yung kanilang pangarap. Wala pong ibang negosyo na katulad ng ganito, lalo na kay Idilmo, na mabilis ang proseso. Mahirap, talagang mahirap. Ganon din po ang naranasan ko sa Hong Kong no? Until 2 p.m. ako po ay nagtatrabaho. Paggising ko sa umaga, may mura pa ako. So, it's still the same. So, sa akin, I challenge you sa mga ating mga OFW, gawin nyo lang po ito, pagtulungan natin. Kung sinasabi nyo, hindi kayo mahilig mag-invite. Just tell your story. Ano bang kwento nyo? Hindi po tayo dito nagbebenta. Ang ibenta po natin dito, kwento mo. Katulad ni Sir Benjamin. Anong gusto niya? Kwento niya. Ang mother niya. And I'm so proud of you, Coach, dahil napakadalang talaga ng anak na lalaki na talagang siya ay on hand sa kanyang mother, no? So, saludo po ako dyan dahil talagang ang ating mga magulang, yan po talaga ay dapat ating inaalagaan, no? Now, sa ating mga participant ngayong gabi, napakarami pa pong mangyayari dito kay Idilmo. Nandun pa lang po tayo sa tip ng iceberg. Kasama po namin kayo kung gusto niyo pong sumama. Kung ayaw niyo naman po, nasa inyo po yon. Kasi nga, ang lagi pong sinasabi, we are not here to convince you, but to convince yourself. Tama po ba yan? Kasi kahit kumbinsihin namin kayo, at ayaw nyo naman, wala naman po kaming magagawa. Parang pag-ibig lang yan Totoo po, nasaktan ako sa isang network ko before. Pero isa lang po ang sinasabi ko, everything happened for a good reason. At nandito po kami, ang sabi ni Coach Benjamin, nandito po kami para igabay, para pagtulungan po natin ang ating mga pangarap. Dahil dito po kay Idilmo, itinuturo po dito kung papaano kumita ng malaki na hindi po tinuturo sa school natin. Tama po ba? So hindi ko na po papahabain. At ngayon pong gabi na to, this is one of our history na Zoom. Kasi alam ko po nakasama namin kayo. So yun lamang po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mel, ang madiscarding byuda na nagsasabi, huwag niyong bibitiwan ang inyong pangarap. Dahil ako po, ang akin pong hindi binibitiwan, syempre, etong pinakasalan ko na po si Idilmo. Dahil siya po ang nagbigay ng aking matagal ng pangarap na sasakyan. Kaya kung kayo po ay may pangarap sa inyong buhay, pagtulungan po natin. Yun lang, Coach. Thank you so much. And back to you, Coach Benjamin. Thank you po.
Ayan. So, thank you very much. Ang galing naman, nakaka-inspire